Just videotape this?
As long as you don't get my face. I'll break the
I'm not
camera.
gonna get you.
Okay?
Someone shaved you, Stephen.
Stan, he was here yesterday.
I'll let you get in. Colleen, you gotta get in. Do you want me to video for you? So if you're
if I'm
supposed to be
gonna-
doing the work.
Oh, okay.
So he's already got the inline on him.
Yep.
So we're going to disconnect from the inline in the
Okay.
vent and put the tubing on.
Okay.
So I'm going to put the vent in manual disconnect. That way there it doesn't alarm
Okay.
and drive everybody crazy. But before we do all that, I want to make sure I have everything all hooked up. So I always make sure my suction's on,
Okay.
and I always make sure it's connected, and I make sure this is active.
Okay.
Did they go over this at all?
Um.
This is on, you can hear it.
Yep.
If I twist and close it, it's locked. Always
Oh,
make
okay,
sure it's
that-
locked
Yep.
when it's not in use.
Oh. Okay.
And one of the reasons for that is if you're rolling them over, and this is unlocked, it turns into a leak.
Oh. Okay.
So you always want to make sure this is in
Okay.
the locked position, lift up and twist,
Okay.
and you can't press it.
Okay. That's one step.
Will you hear the leak?
Yes, you will.
Okay,
Especially
so-
if it's, well,
so-
if it's underneath them, you may not.
Okay, so right now, if you forget to do it,
If you want to come closer,
can you hear it, Pauline?
Mhm.
You're going to be with him. You can
Yep.
hear the leak.
you
Yeah.
can hear it, right?
Okay, so then you know you need to lock it.
Right.
Okay.
So I always make sure it's locked,
Okay.
even when it's hooked up.
Okay.
So I always get everything I need set up. I like to be a little neat, just in case. Especially when he has a nice shirt on, you know?
That's the thing. Do people? I know it's gonna be kind of challenging to put on a shirt.
Button down.
He's a t-shirt kind of guy, like 500 t-shirts.
Okay? Cut them in Velcro.
Yep.
Oh no!
Yeah.
Who's gonna do that for you? All
About-
your record store shop T-shirts will have to be cut.
You'll figure it out.
Yeah.
So I always make sure this is always in here, just neatness.
You can just cut the back. You don't even have to Velcro.
Oh,
Look at that. They're making plans already.
oh.
Tell them you want button downs or zippers. So one of the other things you want to do, always make sure the cuff's inflated.
Okay.
It's going to give you a better volume and a better mix. So manual disconnect. Disconnect from there. Put this on. Activate. And here we go, starting. I always hold it and see what comes up. Now I go down to about there. You see the little black mark on the suction?
Yes.
You want to bring that down a little, right about there. You don't have to go deep because the machine's going to do the work for you. I like to instill a little saline to help loosen it up.
Oh, here. Oh.
Yeah. I'm gonna stop this for now. Thank you.
Therapist says you never instill. Where, I don't know. I'm going to go with what you're saying.
You're not gonna hurt them instilling. It's normal body fluid.
Yeah.
So even if it gets into the body, it's gonna absorb.
No. I used to suction and we would instill all the time.
Okay. I'm a fan of instilling. I know there's pros and cons on it. but I think the pros outweigh the cons. Yes, it can throw him into a bronchospasms, but if he's already getting treatments,
If you need some mouth suction.
okay.
I know it brings up a lot, more than when he was on the bypass.
Yes.
That was harder. He was still gurgly sometimes after.
Well, if you think about where the trach is directly into the lungs. So when you're doing the procedures and all the MIEs, you're going direct. There's nothing to block it from coming up. When he has the mask on, you can't always get a good seal. So there is going to be some type of leak going on. This way here, it'll work a lot better for him. He'll clear out a little bit better, and he'll feel a little better. Am I right so far, or am I making this shit up?
Raise eyebrows means yes, blink means no.
Okay. So you think I'm making this up? So, what I want you to do, hold that. We're going to disconnect from here. You're going to attach that there, okay?
Okay.
I'll handle the vent. You handle everything else.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
Is that a deal?
All right.
All right. Go ahead. Nope. From here.
Oh.
Take it off from there.
You're going to keep the suction, inline suction attached.
Yep. Okay. Now, you ready? Hit the therapy button.
Go
Right
ahead.
here. Good. Bring the catheter down. Right about there. Okay, press the button and hold. Bring it down up a little bit more. Bring it up towards you.
Bring this?
Yep, right there.
Okay.
Excuse me. Now you see what he's coming up with?
Yep.
Okay, now watch this. Take your saline, hold it, keep the line there the way it is. Squirt, press. There we are.
Squeeze?
Yep, just keep it on.
Just squeeze?
Just keep it on, yep. See what's coming up now? See how loose it is?
Okay.
Keep going.
Ooh, I don't know when.
Press it down, just keep it pressed.
Keep it pressed.
Yep,
And when do I release?
release it now. I'm gonna add a little more. Now press.
Are you aiming the installation at the machine at any cycle of the machine? Or?
I try to get it on inspiratory.
Yeah, otherwise it's gonna.
Right.
Yeah.
So let go or not
Just
yet?
keep it going. All right, pull it back,
Pull this?
all the way back.
Oops.
Just pull it back from here.
Oh,
Yep. No,
No.
back towards you.
Oh.
Take it out.
okay.
There. Stop.
Right, understand.
Make sure you're all hooked up on your suction. Is it locked or unlocked?
Just
Sorry, keep it
unlocked.
unlocked. It's
Okay.
fine because we're gonna go right back into doing it.
Okay.
So let me do manual disconnection.
All right, I'm gonna take that off.
I'll take that off.
I'll
Put that on.
Okay.
Hit the start button
All right.
and go to town. There you go.
And then this goes in.
As far as you think you need to go. A little more. There you go.
Okay. And then
Just press and hold.
now open.
Leave it on.
Leave it pressed.
Just leave it suction because you never know when it's going to come up.
Okay.
We'll try another saline.
Are we empty already?
Yeah. Okay, release the suction. There, now suction. And what you're getting back is mostly the saline that we've instilled, so it's not too bad. It doesn't seem to have too much down there.
Okay.
Now with one hand, try, just feel. You know how like you have a congested cough? You could actually feel the stuff inside. Just feel if you're feeling anything. If you're not feeling anything, then most likely we've cleared the upper.
Okay.
Good job, Pauline.
All right. So should I let this go?
Let it go. Draw back.
All right.
All the way. Okay, we're good.
Mm-hmm.
Once that black piece goes up here, you're good.
Okay. And now shut. Turn it
Pause
off.
that. Yep. Take it apart. Place that. There.
Oh.